Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important concept and it's a very good news for all SSLC students of Karnataka State Board. And in this session we are going to discuss about the second language English. The new latest revised reduced final syllabus for this academic year 2020-21. And this is the recent update which has been done from the Karnataka state government, that is nothing but SSLC board. They have revised the syllabus around 30%. There is a reduction in the syllabus. And remember children, the syllabus what we are going to present here, this is your final syllabus for your upcoming board exam. This is the final syllabus for your final board exam, and you have to plan in such a way that the topics which is been retained you have to study, and the topic which is been deleted you no need to study those chapters from here onwards. Okay, and this is only for this academic year 2020-21 series students, but not for the next academic year students. Okay, let's begin with the prosa poetry. See children, here we are going to discuss which are the chapters and poems are there and which is not there, what you want to study and what you don't want to study. We are going to give you the clear picture in this video. You can see here the prose, a hero, and the poem grandma climbs a tree. You can see this prose and poem, this unit is retained. Retained means you want to study for this year exam. Okay, no changes is been done in this units. You want to study this full unit. Next, prose, there is a girl by the tracks, and poem quality of mercy. Even this unit is retained. It means you want to study even this full unit. There is no changes is been done in this. Next, coming back to unit number 3, there is a prose, gentleman of Rio and Medio. This prose is retained. You have a prose. There is no changes in the prose. You have to prepare this prose for your final exam. But poem, you can see I am the land. This poem will not be considered for evaluation. It means this is not there for your upcoming final board exam. Are you getting children? There is no poem. This poem has been deleted. You don't want to study this poem, but you want to study the prose, right? And children, one important information for you all, that is nothing but we are conducting the classes from class 6 standard to 2nd PUC. That is state ICSE and CBSE syllabus. We are going to cover the classes, and for PUC science, commerce and arts we are taking the classes here. Okay, if any children are interested to join for our coaching classes, you can just call up to the given contact number, so that the rest of the details you will be getting over there. Next, coming back to the unit number 4, you can see prose, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the poem the Song of India. Even this unit is retained. You want to study this chapter in detail for your exam. Next, prose, that is concert, and poem jazz poem 2. Even this both the things are there for your upcoming board exam. There is no changes is been done in this prose and poem. And you can see unit number 6, prose, that is discovery, and poem ballad of the tempest. This both the things are being deleted. There is no questions will be asked for you from this prose and poem. So this is deleted. You don't want to study this prose and poem for your upcoming final board exam. And children, here we can see we have two branches in Bangalore, that is Tannery Road branch and Shivaji Nagar branch. The address has been given here, and the landmark for Tannery Road branch, that is nothing but Mediscope Hospital near opposite to Muslim Colony bus stop, and Shivaji Nagar near Modi Masjid. Okay, so you can also download the app of our Evershine Coaching Center through Evershine, that is Google Play. Okay, from the Play Store you can download our app also, and this is the contact number you can reach to us. And next, unit number 7, prose, colors of silence, and poem the blind boy. Even these units are retained. You want to study these both the units for your final board exam. But prose, science and hope of survival, and poem off to outer space tomorrow morning. These both the units are deleted. It is not there for your upcoming board exam. Okay, this is not there. You no need to study this both the units. And children, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do subscribe it, and also you can follow us through different social networking platforms, and click the bell icon and share this video as much as possible to your all friends, so that everyone can get the opportunity to learn with Faisal sir. And next, supplementary reading. In supplementary reading, you can see unit number 1, Narayanapur incident. This lesson is written, you want to study this, but on top of the world, this supplementary reading will not be considered for evaluation. This is deleted. You no need to study this supplementary reading. And a great martyr ever cherished. This lesson is written, you want to study this, but the bird of happiness, this supplementary reading has got cancelled. You no need to study this unit. I hope the things what we have presented here in this video, you all have liked this session, and please children, go ahead with a beautiful concepts is been given to you all. With a short duration of time, you can study still more number of contents. No need to think how much time is left out, but still if you start your preparation from this day, definitely you can reach your target with a very bright, colorful result. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well, keep watching. And in our next video, we are going to present of the other syllabus reduced contents, and also we will be coming back with different videos of all important questions for your upcoming board exam. So keep watching, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups. Thank you.